This is a video by Richmond. Today we are working on a Asus laptop. This model is the X550Z. And what we're doing today is we are replacing the battery. Whoa, wait a minute, Rich. This is not a vehicle. What the heck are you doing? Well, this laptop is the computer that I use to do all my automotive videos. So we're going to include that in my channel today. And this laptop is not an easy one to do the battery. Well, as far as a lot of them. Most of them, you just flip it over and there is a little cover right here. And you can remove the battery easily. But not on this one. We got screws. We got a total of 10 number 0 Phillips head screws that we have to remove. Now, these three down here are smaller than the rest of them up here. So what I'm going to do, make a little template and label them all so I get them right back into their right position. So we're going to start removing those screws now. Here is the last screw. There it is. Now, once we got all those screws out of there, we want to flip it over. Open up the lid here. Now we have to separate the keyboard. And I'm going to use this little tool right here. And we'll start right over here. Once we get it started, now we gotta work our way around it. Okay, keyboard is all loose and we don't want to pull it up right now because there are 3 ribbon cables underneath there. I'm going to show them to you now. Now we don't want to lift the keyboard too high because there are the 3 ribbon cables right there. So we need to remove those now. If you happen to have a grounding strap this would be a good time to use it before you start working around the motherboard here. Now let's remove this one right here. We'll just flip up the little zip connector right here. Now for this black one. Okay. Now this big one is a little bit different. We gotta push the little locks towards the screen. There they be. Alright, there's nothing holding the keyboard in, so we can just take that out of the way. And there's the battery right back there. Alright, now we're going to remove the battery. We'll start with the electrical connector right here. Now the battery is held in by two little clips, one here and one right here. So we're going to push those towards me. Okay. And there it is. This is the original battery. Now we're going to replace it with this one right here. This is a, what's that say? AWG. Okay, she's in. And we'll connect that. Get that wire down there. Okay, battery's all in. Now that battery's in, we gotta get our keyboard back into position. Put our cables back. Make sure that those locks are all the way. I believe I got those. Yep. Alright, now this one right here. Alright, now for this small one. There it is. Okay. They're all back in place. Alright, now we can put the keyboard back into position, snap it in. Okay. Alright, now we're going to flip it over and put our 10 screws back in. Here is the last screw. It's one of the long ones right here. There we go. It's all back together. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to charge up our new battery before we boot it up, and we should be back in business. So that's all there is to replacing a battery in your Asus laptop computer. The video you just saw I made in 2018, but I never posted it. I'm posting it today because that battery has gone dead. Now that battery, the HWG battery, I replaced in July of 2018, and it is now April 2021. So we're going to replace it with this one, the DTK battery. Now I don't know if it's going to be any better than this one, but we got to give it a shot. If I have any problems, I'll let you guys know. Thanks for watching.